welcome back to our channel Videsh Wala. तो आज की वीडियो में we're gonna talk about Latvia. We're gonna talk about some of the major popular courses in Latvia that you can pursue. So let's get into it. So before moving to the popular courses of Latvia, I'm going to talk about some of the benefits of studying in Latvia. So the first benefit is low tuition fees. यहाँ पे जो ट्यूशन फीस है इट्स कंपेरेटिवली लो टू अ लॉट ऑफ यूरोपियन कंट्रीज एज वेल. यहाँ की जो लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस है इट्स क्वाइट रीजनेबल. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 300 यूरोज ओनली. Another thing is that कि आप लाटविया से पढ़ के इन कंट्रीज लाइक यूएस, कनाडा, स्विट्जरलैंड, स्पेन में इंटर्नशिप्स कर सकते हैं. ऑल्सो यहाँ की डिग्रीज ग्लोबली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड होती हैं. सो नाउ लेट्स जंप इनटू द पॉपुलर प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ लाटविया. तो मैं जो कोर्सेज के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ उसमें से सम ऑफ देम यू हैव हर्ड बिफोर एंड सम ऑफ देम आर न्यू टू यू. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट. In this, it includes aviation safety and security, air traffic control, airport operation, airline management, aviation law, etc. Another thing is a lot of students enroll themselves in aviation engineering. अब aviation engineering क्या होता है? It's just same as normal engineering in the field of aircraft. It includes developing, maintaining, designing, and all the other jobs of an engineer just in this field. Moving on, the next program we are going to talk about is transportation and business logistics. This is a multidisciplinary program, which means कि it's a team taught program and लोग ग्रुप में मिलके करते हैं ये सब. And इसका मेन मोटिव होता है to learn skills and knowledge regarding obtaining, sustaining innovation and provide the best delivery services as well as business logistics. After completing this course, you can apply for jobs like Enterprise Logistics Manager, Transport Manager, Supply Chain Analyst, Procurement Manager, and a lot of more. Moving on, the next course we're going to talk about is robotics. Robotics focuses on the theory, the design, and the development of robots, and इसका application बहुत सारी industries में use होता है. This course typically covers a lot of range of topics. You can check the screen for that. It includes robot design and construction, programming, control systems, sensors, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. So the fourth program we're going to talk about is architecture. Architecture एक process होती है of designing, of planning and fabricating large structures, especially when it comes to buildings. And also उसकी durability as well as aesthetic का ध्यान रखते हो through the help of materials, elements and technology. Now studying architecture in Latvia is something that no one should miss out because Latvia की education when it comes to architecture is very top notch. Also architecture field में या कोई भी designing field में successful होने के लिए एक चीज़ बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है which is problem solving ability. Now the last program which we're going to talk about is business and management. तो business and management is one of the most popular courses in Latvia. सो इस कोर्स में आप जो भी नॉलेज एंड स्किल्स लर्न करते हैं इसकी स्पेशलिटी ये है कि वो आपको सिर्फ बिजनेस सेक्टर में हेल्प नहीं करेगा. आप कोई भी सेक्टर कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में जा रहे हो तो वो स्किल्स एंड नॉलेज विल बेनिफिट यू. Also after completing this course it's going to open a wide range of career options. You can check the screen for that. Graduates can work as managers, consultants, analysts, entrepreneur or executives in fields such as finance, marketing, human resources, operations and much more. Also your job depends कि आपने कौन सी फील्ड में स्पेशलाइजेशन करा है among all of these. So the last thing we're going to talk about is जो भी मैंने आपको प्रोग्राम्स बताए उसके लिए बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ कौन सी रहेगी to pursue in Latvia. You can check the screen for that. For aviation management or aviation engineering we have Transport and Telecommunication Institute and also Riga Technical University. For transport and business logistics, we have again Transport and Telecommunication Institute along with Latvian Maritime Academy. For business and management, we have EKA, University of Applied Sciences, Tureba University and much more. For robotics, we have Riga Technical University. For architecture, we have Art Academy of Latvia and much more. So guys, that was all the information regarding some of the top programs in Latvia that you can pursue. And if you have any other query, you can comment us down below and also call these numbers below for a free counseling session. And don't forget to follow our Instagram channel. You can see the username somewhere here and also subscribe. So yeah, thanks for watching.